For making chili baby corn, we need chopped onions, chopped red capsicum, chopped green capsicum, finely chopped green onions, corn flour, all-purpose flour, ginger garlic paste, sesame seeds, ginger, garlic and green chilies, vinegar, dark soya sauce, tomato ketchup, red chili sauce and baby corn. I have cut the baby corn into 4 pieces like this. Let me show you how. Take a bowl and add 1 teaspoon of dark soya sauce, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of red chili sauce and 2 teaspoons of tomato ketchup. Add 2 teaspoons of water and mix everything well. Crush the ginger and garlic using a mortar pestle. Boil water in a pan. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and add the baby corn. Boil the baby corn for about 2 minutes. Once done, take them out in a bowl. Let them air dry for 15 to 20 minutes. Take a bowl and add the boiled baby corns in it. Add 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Coat the baby corns with this mixture. Now add water little by little to give a thick coating to the baby corn. The coating should be this thick. Heat oil in a pan and fry the baby corn on medium heat until they turn golden brown from all the sides. Once done, take them out in a plate. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil on medium flame and add the crushed ginger and garlic paste, white part of the spring onion and green chilies. Fry them until you can smell a nice aroma. Take care not to burn them. We will now add the chopped onions, chopped green capsicum, chopped red capsicum and fry them for 30 seconds. The veggies should not lose their crunch. Now pour in the prepared sauce mixture and mix everything well. Add half teaspoon of corn flour in a little bit of water to prepare a corn flour slurry. Now pour it into the prepared mixture. This will give a nice texture to our sauce. Add the fried baby corn and coat them nicely with the prepared sauce mixture. Our chili baby corn is now ready to serve. Garnish it with some spring onions and toasted sesame seeds.